Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, I am going to solve exercise question from book Topics in Algebra from chapter 3 Ring Theory. Question is, if R is a ring with unit element 1 and phi is a homomorphism of ring R onto ring R dash, prove that phi of 1 is the unit element of ring R dash. So proof, we have given that R is a ring with unit element 1 and map phi from ring R to R dash is a homomorphism. Now our claim is to show that phi of 1 is the unit element of ring R dash. For this, consider some arbitrary element, say A from ring R dash. Now since phi is an onto homomorphism, there will exist some element, say R from ring R, such that phi of R is equal to A. Now we have A dot phi of 1 is equal to phi of R dot phi of 1, which can be written as phi of R dot 1 using the properties of homomorphism. So we get A dot phi of 1 is equal to phi of R. This implies A dot phi 1 is equal to A. Now since A is any arbitrary element of ring R dash, we have A dot phi of 1 is equal to A for all elements A in ring R dash, and thus phi of A is the unit element of ring R dash, and this proves our result.